Hi guys, I'm really excited because I'm going to be using 3 new colors in today's swipe that I've never used before. More about those in a little bit. To create the cells that you'll see forming during the swipe, I'm adding 1 drop of silicone oil to each of the base paint colors and giving them a quick stir. I'll share info about the paint ratios soon, but all the information will also be listed in the description box. This Rose Pink by Liquitex Basics is one of the new colors that I'm using today. It's mixed in my typical swipe ratio of 4 parts paint to 8 parts Floetrol to 1 part water, plus that 1 drop of silicone oil that you saw me add. The other Artist Loft paints that I'm using today that are mixed in the same ratio are light magenta, violet and titanium white. This cream colored looking paint is actually Pearl Blue by Amsterdam. I'm really interested to see how it turns out because when it dries against a darker background, it's supposed to show up as a shimmery blue color. And at the end of this video, I'll show you the dry results so you can see, how these paints actually dry. This is Amsterdam Pearl Violet, which is the other new color that I'm trying today. I mixed these last 2 Amsterdam Pearl colors with about 1.5 grams of paint to 8 grams of Floetrol to 2 grams of water. I accidentally added 2 grams of water to the paint instead of the 1 gram that I was aiming for. So they are a bit of a thinner consistency than the other paints. For the swipe, I'm using ivory black paint that's mixed 4 parts paint to 8 parts Floetrol to 3 parts of water. This paint is a thinner consistency than the paint already on the canvas and it doesn't contain any silicone oil. So this is a very interesting result. I'm guessing the reason I have some large cells over, in some places is because of the rather runny consistency of those pearl paints. Although I think it creates an interesting effect, not necessarily a bad outcome, just a different one from my usual, where the cells are usually the same size. So overall, fun giving this a try. I do want to also try and mix those pearl paints to more of the similar consistency to what I usually use and then kind of see if I end up with cells that are the same size. In this dry version, you can see the pearl paints really nicely and the pearl blue is showing up very well over here. Well, it was fun giving all of these new colors a try. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thank you so much for joining me and I look forward to seeing you again next time.